New tonight, the office in charge of elections in Spokane County is getting reports of a group going door to door to gather voter information. Krem 2's Kyle Simchuk explains what's happening and how the county is responding. Kyle?
Well, Spokane-County Auditor Vickie Dalton says she understands this kind of activity can be concerning to some voters. However, she says canvassing for voter information is legal under state law. Dalton says the group door knocking is associated with the Washington Voter Research Project. Their website says volunteers are going to what they call questionable addresses to make sure people who have told the post office they have moved out of state are not still voting in Washington elections.
What we're trying to do is make sure there's some accuracy and honesty in the election process, and this is just a citizen activist sort of way of doing it. It doesn't cost a lot of money, it doesn't require a big operation or a huge overhead, it just requires people to get together and be coordinated on it.
The county elections office says it's diligent in maintaining voter rolls for 350,000 registered voters, and they use multiple sources, including the Social Security Administration, Department of Licensing, state death records, and the Postal Service to keep information as up to date as possible. Now, in a statement, County Auditor Vickie Dalton reminded voters they have no obligation to provide information to someone who comes to the door asking for voter information. Responses are completely voluntary. In the newsroom, Kyle Simchuk, Krem 2 News.